Hello, my name is Randy Rosenkrans, and welcome to the Kaplan Exam Preparation and Test Taking Tips video. The purpose of this video is to walk you through the best practices for studying for your state licensing exam and to also talk through some simple concepts, common sense test taking tips. These strategies apply whether you're preparing for the life and health exam, the property and casualty exam, or the adjuster license exam. I want to talk about preparing strategically for the exam. It is important that you have a consistent study process. Our Kaplan study process is centered around you studying a unit of material, then taking practice questions on that particular unit's material. Following our process positions you for success in passing the state licensing exam. As you begin reading the study material, a lot of folks start with initially short, focused study blocks. 30 to 45 minutes helps with retention. After that 30 or 45 minutes, get up, stretch a little bit, and then go to another study session. After reading the unit study material, a best practice is to take a 20 question QBank quiz, take the checkpoint exam for that unit. These QBank quizzes and checkpoint exam questions, they reinforce your understanding of the content and familiarize yourself with the types of questions you may encounter on the state licensing exam. Here's a tip to maximize the benefit of our practice questions. After you have taken a quiz or a test, go back and review those questions. Review the correct answer, and if an explanation is available, read that explanation. You want to know why. If you got that question wrong, you want to know why you got it wrong. Did you get it wrong because you didn't know the material and you need to restudy that topic? Or did you misread the question? Knowing why you missed a question is important. Was it lack of knowledge, or was it I need to be more intentional on how I read the questions and read them more closely? This process of reading the material and then taking practice questions, you will do that for each unit of the course. After you have completed all of the units, you should begin taking longer exam sets to simulate the licensing exam conditions. If your state requires a certification exam, take the certification exam according to the completion instructions for your state. After you have completed all of the units and passed the certification exam, take the QBank simulated state exam. When you feel you're almost ready for the state licensing exam, then top off your study with our mastery exam, again, if that's included in your package.